got downright nasty. A Las Vegas rideshare driver says she recently turned down a ride for a young mother with an infant because the mom didn't have a car seat but wanted a ride anyway. It has sparked a heated debate online about safety.
At 13, investigative reporter Joe Barr shows you why it will take political willpower to fix a loophole in a state law.
We know what happens, and it's apparently all very legal. Young kids, even babies, in rideshares with their parents across Nevada without child restraints. The story you're about to see will likely become the center of a legislative showdown. Her most important job is mother and grandmother. Ginny Bustelos is also an insurance agent by day.
Got to get into the role.
And rideshare driver when she finds the time.
You don't see who you're picking up right away because there's a sea of people waiting.
It was here at the airport where she found herself with a situation that's still up in the air.
And there was a young mother with a 6-month-old baby and no car seat.
This mom knew whether the law allowed it or not. The baby wasn't going anywhere in her car without a proper restraint.
She basically rolled her eyes and walked away because I told her, I said, I'm not putting your baby in my car without a car seat. And I even said to her, I said, aren't you worried about your baby being safe?
We exposed the issue in this months-long undercover investigation. Of the half-dozen rideshare drivers we tested, all but one agreed to take a 2-year-old without a car seat. Ordinarily, a ticketable offense for any driver or parent willing to put a child's life at risk. But as we reported, Nevada state law defines rideshares like Lyft and Uber as a taxicab and are therefore explicitly exempt, according to the state's transportation authority.
It got very nasty because everyone wanted to be correct.
Ginny posted in several secret rideshare groups on social media to get her fellow drivers' take. At best, there's major confusion about what's moral, what's right, and what's legal.
I would like to see there be just a straightforward law that no taxis, no rideshare, no transportation whatsoever can take children that are under a certain weight limit where it's dangerous for them to be in a moving vehicle.
This is liability right here. I mean, they have unprotected children in their cars. They are projectiles if they're being held by their parents.
We showed our undercover investigation to Heather Watson, president of Safe Kids Clark County. She says lawmakers are focused on seatbelt safety as a major legislative priority when they get back into session next month, and that could mean some clarity when it comes to cars, kids, and rideshares.